Love you, Rex. Yeah, I do.
In today's video, I'm going to show you a bunch of different little tiny vans so you can get some ideas for yourselves. This first one is my van. It's the Mercedes Metris, and I bought it to go camping in the woods with my dog, and it's been very nice. And this current video here is when I first got it, about a month after. I didn't really do much to it, which is nice. I just built a bed over the wheel wells and I just got on with it. Since I got it, I did a few upgrades. I added some photos. I put this dresser in which houses lots of my clothes and food, and it also gives me quite a lot of space, and I can use it for my cooktop, comb and stove, and I've got all this space still here for my feet, so it's pretty darn good. I also added some photos to make it more cozy in my van, and here you go, have a look for yourselves. The second van that I'm going to show you today is by Milo Malloy on YouTube, and it's an amazing Transit Connect, and it has been really well done. It has butcher block countertops, it has everything you need to live in a van for a long time. Actually, it has good running water. I really like the detail of this van, so I had to show it to you because it's amazing. Probably took a long time to do. It's got the backsplash is actually stickers, which is actually a reasonable value. It's easy to do, and I don't know, the detail of this van is amazing. I wanted to show it to you so you can get ideas for yourselves. And again, this is the Cozy Cabin, and it's by Milo Malloy, and I'll give you the link in my description below so you can look at the whole van tour. This van is an NV200 by Josh Oakes that I also found on YouTube, and it's pretty amazing again. It has a butcher block countertop, it has a bed that folds out into a double, well, a bit of a snug double, but it also has that little area there you can use for your laptop. And the countertop is butcher block again, and in the sink portion it has a little cutout where you can add a little bit more of a butcher block to make a bigger countertop, and it's a pretty darn amazing van. Let me know what you think in the description below. I'll have a link again, but let me know which van you prefer the most. This is Lady Bugout's van, and she also has a Ford Transit Connect. She has a bed in it which she pushes up during the day to use it as a sofa and gives us plenty of space inside, and then at night she pulls it out and uses it as a bed. She can flip the sofa around both ways so that it can face the outside if she wants to look out into the back of the van and look at the view, or she can face it back in, either way, which is kind of cool. I like that. And she also has like a bathroom cabinet on the one side because she found that the bathroom cabinets were slimmer and it would give her more room on the side of the space of the van. So she has some really good ideas. I'll put a link to her van tour on this description, and take a look, see what you think. Let me know what you think of her van. She has some really good ideas in her videos each week. She posts every Saturday, but yeah, she's pretty amazing. She has some good ideas and good tips, and I hope you enjoy. The next video that I'm going to show you is of another Ford Transit Connect. It's Mike, the architect grad student that converted his van and made sure that he made plenty good use of storage in his van, and he was able to still use it as a hauling vehicle if he wanted to. It's really neat inside, and he's done a really good job, and there's plenty of room in there so you can still chill and hang out and then convert the area into a bed when you need to. And so take a look and get some ideas and see what you think. But right now, looking at this van, I really like it. It's basic, but it has everything you need with the sink and the running water, lots of storage overhead, and just everything you really need to get away for those weekends. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description below of this one as well. And the next van that I'm going to show you is of Bunny. Bunny plays here, and she has an amazing NV200, which I'm going to show you now. What I really like about Bunny's van, it's really affordable because it's a no-build van. She put a bed in it, she's using every little area under the bed to store things, and she uses a lot of magnets for her lighting and everything she needs, like hanging her coats and things. So you can just do this on a cheap way of getting out there and exploring the country. So let me know what you think. I will put a link to her video in the description below as well, and thank you again. I hope you got some enjoyment out of this video, and I will see you on the next one.